The functional unit of the lung is alveolus. The normal respiratory rate for an adult is 12 থেকে 20 per minute. Which gas exchange occurs in the alveoli? Oxygen enters blood, carbon dioxide leaves blood. The hallmark sign of pneumonia. Answer হচ্ছে productive cough with fever. The causative organism of tuberculosis is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. BCG vaccine is given for prevention of tuberculosis. A positive Mantoux test indicates TB exposure or infection. Which drug is hepatotoxic in anti-TB regimen? Answer: all of the above. Rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide. সবগুলো হবে all of the above. Which symptom is common in COPD? All of the above. Wheezing, clumping, dyspnea. Blue bloater refers chronic bronchitis. Pink puffer refers to emphysema. The best diagnostic test for pulmonary embolism is CT pulmonary angiography. Which oxygen delivery device gives the highest FiO2? Non-rebreather mask. The normal value of arterial oxygen PaO2 is 80 to 100 mm of mercury. Which acid-base imbalance occurs in COPD? Respiratory acidosis. Clumping of fingers is associated with chronic hypoxia.